MRKR Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Marker Therapeutics stock. I just love this name, Marker. You know, it's like, it's crazy, but yeah, I'm laughing about the name. What the hell's wrong with me? This is a very interesting stock because I'm seeing a lot of sideways markets, just movements overall. I mean, I've done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships over the last 4 years, and as a result, I've gotten thousands of repetitions. Everything has been documented. But with MRKR, yeah, I saw some signs of bullish markets movements potentially, and I'm yet to see a full candle close above there. But that doesn't mean that I cannot start to long this market if I see something like, for example, type 2 confirmation. If I see the type 2 confirmation, why not long, right? Close for the effect. But also, it really all depends of the price giving me even the type 2 confirmation. I know it's not the most volatile market, but like, it is what it is, right? So if you want to make money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.